Today is January 28th. Corey's still working on the roof. It takes time, but he also got busy doing what?
Just punching holes for the water fills, both for the tank and then the shore supply.
Cool.
Haven't seeded anything. I was just making sure that the wall fused well to the rest of the insulation. Painted out the rest of the floors for a primer coat, and then still ongoing with the roof.
A little bit of sanding though, and
ceiling clamps to kind of get everything pushed into place and held while the glue sets up. And then clean all of that out, sand it down, do another float.
Yeah. Okay.